Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best dehumidifiers for homes you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dehumidifiers for homes and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dehumidifiers for homes so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a dehumidifier for homes. First, think about the size of the area you want to dehumidify because capacity matters for efficiency and performance. Next, check the energy efficiency rating to ensure it runs effectively without increasing electricity costs. Noise level is another key factor, especially if you plan to use it in bedrooms or living spaces. Also, look for features like automatic shutoff, humidity control, and easy-to-clean filters for convenience and safety. Don't forget about portability. Wheels and handles make it easier to move around. Lastly, consider the brand's reliability, warranty, and customer support to ensure long-term satisfaction. Taking time to compare these factors helps you choose the best dehumidifier for your needs. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.